West Basin Municipal Water District's Cash for Kitchens program presents a quick how-to video on installing a water-saving faucet flow restrictor. Start by turning the handle to the angle stop valve until the water is off. Turn the faucet on to make sure the water supply is off. Next, disconnect the flexible supply line or the hose from the angle stop valve. One side of the flow restrictor is considered the female end, which has threads on the inside. Connect the female end of the flow restrictor to the male end of the angle stop valve. Hand tighten only. Observe the other side. This is considered the male end, and it has threads on the outside. Attach the female end of the hose onto the male end of the faucet flow restrictor. Turn the water supply back on at the angle stop valve. Test the faucet and check for leaks at the connection points of the flow restrictor. Keep these points in mind. Enjoy your new faucet flow restrictor. Sponsored by West Basin Municipal Water District's Cash for Kitchens program.